This video is for educational and informational purposes only. Mutual funds and stocks talked about in these videos are purely used as an example. This video is not meant for advisory or recommendation purpose.
Hello everyone, I am Anish from aliceblue. Welcome back to our technical analysis series. In this video series, we are going to explore various techniques and indicators used in the field of technical analysis. Please watch the entire video and do like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get new video updates. To know more about the basics of technical analysis like support and resistance, types of chart, and the basics of candlestick pattern and chart patterns, watch my previous in the technical analysis category. In this video, we are going to explore about round top and round bottom chart pattern, its price action, and how we can use this pattern in our trading system very effectively. Come, let's get into this in detail now. The rounded top and bottom patterns are a classical chart pattern, which is used to find the potential reversal from a downtrend and uptrend. Rounded bottom candlestick pattern is a bullish reversal pattern, and rounded top candlestick pattern is a bearish reversal pattern. Now we see the price action and how the pattern formation in a simple animation method. Then we move on to the TradingView platform to understand the price action and the execution methodology very effectively. First, there is a rounded bottom pattern. This rounded bottom pattern is a bullish reversal pattern which is used to find the potential reversal in a downtrend. Now you can see the price is completely in a downtrend. In a downtrend, the first resistance, there is a major resistance when it is broken. You can see the pattern look like a round shape, half round shape in a bottom level. So we call it as a rounded bottom. Once the resistance is taken out, the resistance will become a support. From that level, there is our entry and our stop loss will be on the swing low. And our target will be on the risk reward ratio of 1:1.5 and 1:2. This is our target based on our stop loss value points. Next, there is a rounded top pattern. This pattern is a bearish reversal pattern. This is used to find the potential reversal from an uptrend, which means the price is getting rejections from an uptrend. It is used to find the potential opportunities in intraday in a short selling positions. So now you can see the price is completely in a uptrend, in a sideways movement uptrend, and it's create a distribution phase. Once the distribution phase, there is a first support is taken out. Now we can expect the prices fall from the current level support. You can see in a higher level the price in the pattern is formed as a rounded top, so we call it as a rounded top pattern. When the price taken out the first support, there is our entry, and the first support will become a resistance, and our stop loss will be on the swing high of the pattern, and our target is based on the price action methodology or based on risk reward ratio. Now let's move on to our TradingView platform to understand this concept very effectively. Come. Welcome back to our TradingView platform. Here we will understand the price action and the execution methodology of round top and round bottom chart pattern. Now we are in a Welspun Corporation Limited. So first we have to understand the price action behind the round bottom candlestick pattern. We all know round bottom candlestick pattern is a bullish reversal pattern, which means bullish reversal breakout pattern we call it as a. So this is how a bullish pattern, bullish reversal round bottom candlestick pattern look like. You can see here I'm just drawing the path. So it's create a bottom as a round shape. It's created the bottom as a round shape. You can see here it's created the bottom as a round shape. You can see in a toolbar, drawing toolbar, you can see the tool called arc. By the use of this arc, we will plot a rounded shape over here. You can see here, this is how bullish reversal pattern called round bottom candlestick pattern look like. If the cat pattern is broken out, because here we will find one support over here. If the support is taken out, the support will become a resistance. If the support is taken out, the support will become a resistance. Sorry, if the resistance is taken out, it will become a resist support. So you can see here, this is how a pattern go upside, and if it's come down also, this resistance will become a support and will give a massive pullback. This is how the pattern look like. So from this area, it's completely a consolidation phase. Come this area, it's completely a consolidation, or we call it as a accumulation. So called is accumulation. So when the accumulation phase is completed, the range will get expansion, the range contraction and the range expansion will happen. So now we see some examples in our chart. So now I am in a well spun group, weekly time frame. You can see here. So just taking the bar replay option right here, right over here. You can see in a weekly time frame. In a weekly time frame, the price is completely in a downtrend. Now it's changing a trend to downtrend to sideways trend. So here is the major resistance. Here is the major resistance. You can see here this level before it acts as a resistant. It's changing the color into black and right to or blue, right. So here you can see it's act as a resistance. After that it acts as a resistance. When this level is taken out, it will become a support. So now let's see the price formation. You can see right clearly it's created a rounded bottom and it is taken out. So here we take the tool and arc tool, this you can see here it's clearly a rounded bottom. So this level is taken out. We can take our entry over here and our stop loss below the swing, below the bottom of the swing. It was around 34%, yeah, approximately it's 33%. And our target is, first target is 1:1 will be our first target, which means same 33.28% will be our first target, and our second target is 1:1.5, which is 51%. This is for a investment purpose only, because we are using in a weekly time frame. We can use this for a investment purpose called a positional kind of trade, which means the target will be achieved within a time span of within 1 year. So it's a short term speculation, or we can take our target at 90% or 100% level, right. This is our final target. So now we can see what it's happening. So now the price is coming down and it will not touch our support area. Now it's achieved our 1:1 target and 1:1.5, and finally it's went up to and achieve our 89% target, and final target, which was around, you can see here, it give a massive uptrend up to 100% within a span of, you can see here, within a span of only 168 days. Only 160. If you go to daily time frame, in a trading session is only 115 bar. 168 days and 115 bar means 115 trading session. It give a massive pullback up to 100% return. It's well spun corporation. If you want, you can backtest in your chart, and we can use this same pattern for short term, which means in an intraday trade also. For that I am using IOC. IOC, you all know, Indian Oil Corporation. So Indian Oil Corporation, we are in Indian Oil Corporation. So in a time frame of 15 minutes. Here you can see a beautiful pattern. Here you can see a beautiful pattern. You can see here the price is completely in a downtrend, and again you can see it's a clear resistance. This area I am spotting as a clear resistance. Yeah, this is a clear resistance. It's taking an extended, right. It's a clear resistance. From this area you can see here it creating a beautiful round bottom pattern. Yeah, arc, this level and this level, and you can see it's created a beautiful arc pattern. And once it's taken out, here it's our entry. Once it's taken out, it's our entry. Just taking the bar replay option. Here is our entry. Long projection. Stop loss will be same. 2.3% as a stop loss, and 1:1 as a first target. Risk reward ratio will be 1:1 as our first target, and 1:1.5 as our second target, and 1:3 will remains the third target. 1:2 remains the, you can see here it's showing risk reward ratio 1:2, and now we on the bar replay option. Easily our first target, second target, and third targets are achieved. This is how we can use this pattern effectively. Here you can see the risk reward ratio, and our risk is 2.3%, and the return is, final target return is 4.65%, and we get the 4.5% return within a span period of only 34 bars, 15 minutes candle, only 4 days 20 hours, which means only 5 days only we will get 4% return by using this methodology. So this is how we can use the pattern effectively in our trading system. Now let's move on to the bearish reversal pattern called rounded top pattern. So for that, but rounded pattern is highly it's a very rare pattern. We can find this pattern in commodity and currency market. Now I am going to crude oil future chart in a 5 minutes time frame, or we move it in a 25 minutes time frame to identify the support and resistance. So here also you can see, I'm just deleting my drawings. Remove all drawings, right? Remove all drawings. So cool. First time we'll understand the price action of a rounded top candlestick pattern. It's similar to that, but the direction is in opposite side. So first I'm taking the path to understand the price action. So this is how a pattern look like. This is how a pattern of a price look like. You can see here, taking the same arc tool, this level to this level, yeah. And if you draw a arc means, so it will create a rounded top. Once this bottom level support, here is one support, that's why only the price is getting supported from this region. Once this bottom level support is taken out, it is broken down, again this support will become a resistance and giving a massive rejection. So we call this as a pattern as a bearish reversal pattern, rounded top pattern, and our entry will be on the, after breakout our entry will be there, short side entry, short selling, we call it as a short selling, and our stop loss will be on the high of the pattern, and 1:1 and 1:1.5 as our target, or by using price action also we can taking our target. So here in the day of 22nd, yeah, I'm taking this day, just taking the bar replay over here, right? So by using the previous price action, I am taking the support and resistance level. This is my support level because the price is trading upside. This is the support level, and this is also a support level. You can see here, given a slight pullback. This area given a slight pullback. Here also it given a pullback. It's a major key level. So this level also I am spotting as a support and our support. These supports are for fixing our targets, and this is also a support level. Here also you can see it's giving a rejection because of the gap ups and gap down. We can't find the exact price action, and our targets for that, this is also a very good support. You can see, you can find a move over here, and this is also our target. These are our target to fix the, and our resistance are, this is one of the resistance, and you can see here resistance, and yeah, this is also a resistance. Now change our time frame into 5 minutes to understand the price action. You can see the price is getting rejection from the pattern, from the resistance level. Just changing the color of the resistance into red so that we can find easily. Right, and in a minor time frame we have to understand the price action, right? So this level you will see it's a minor time frame, it's a very minor time frame only, so we take it into dashed line and the color is red. green. It's a minor time frame analysis. Yeah, now hope all you can understand the level. And you can see the price is again going to a resistance level, and once this support is taken out, here, you can see here this support is taken out. You can see previously it acted as a very good resistance, a major key level, and again it become a support, and again you can see it is taken out. So here will be our entry. Before that, we have to understand the pattern itself. Curve tool, this level, arc tool, this level, and you will see the pattern over here. It's completely formed as a rounded top pattern, and you can see here is the clear breakout, and see the volume also. In the volume area you can see it's 42, the previous candle is 12, so more than double of the previous candle the volume. So we can take our entry, short portion entry at this level, and our stop loss is here, approximately 50 point stop loss, and our first target will be here, second target will be here, and third target will be here, approximately 2.4% as our target. So now let's see, is our targets are first target I think still not achieved. Yeah, first target achieved, second target achieved, third target is also achieved, and again you can see, still the price is coming downside. Fourth target we can see it will achieved or not. So here it's getting pulled back, so this level only we can understand this is our first target based on the price action, right? Our final target is also achieved. So easily in a intraday also we captured around 248 points, and our risk reward ratio is 1:5 is our risk reward ratio. You can see this is how we can use the rounded top and rounded bottom candlestick chart pattern in our trading system very effectively. Hope you all understand the price action and the execution methodology of a rounded top and rounded bottom candlestick pattern. See you in the next video with another interesting technical analysis concept. Until then, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get new video updates. This is Anish signing off. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.